I got some glitter mail. All right, this is, let's see, I can't read her name. The newest set by PBD. Can I just say it's gorgeous? Wicked Orchid. This one is going on a cup for sure today. Boo Barbie. Oh, so pretty. Look at the stars in that. Sinister Spark. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Lantern Glow. Holy cow, she outdid herself. Blood Moon. This has got oranges and golds. Dang, that's pretty. This set is the newest release on PBD. They do a designer, oh Lord, what's it called? Curated set. Oh goodness. So this is Ellie's new set. I had to go back and double check because I'm terrible with names. I couldn't remember my own half the time. But every month or so, one of the designers for PBD, they get to curate a set, and good news, I have been told I get to do one in January. But the main reason for making this video is giveaways haven't been very strong on my page. I'm not sure why. There's no purchase necessary, just like and comment. That's all you have to do. And then somebody will get this set, it's so pretty, for free. All I have to do is turn it into PBD and they will ship directly from their warehouse. I mean, come on, what's to lose? So I hope to see you on my page, and I'd love to see what you make with this set. Thank you.